The Express Scripts Canada NIHB provider and client website is a convenient and secure way for providers to submit claims and access claims information quickly and efficiently. In this tutorial video, we will demonstrate how to log into your NIHB web account on the Express Scripts Canada NIHB provider and client website and review the top 3 dental rejection codes. First, select the language in which you would like to view the Express Scripts Canada NIHB provider and client website. Select English or French. For the purpose of this tutorial video, let's select English. If you don't already have a web account, please watch the tutorial video, NIHB website for dental providers. To access this video, click the Provider drop-down menu and select Dental. This will take you to the Dental Benefits page. Click the YouTube icon, called Features for Providers, to learn how to create a web account. Let's begin by logging in. Click the Login button, located on the top right-hand side of your screen. You will be required to enter your username and password. Once entered, click Login. Before you can access your profile from the login page, you will be required to review the privacy notice that appears on the page by either clicking Accept or Decline. If you accept, you will be taken to your profile. If you decline, you will not be able to access your profile and submit claims online. Instead, you will be redirected to the login page. Once you pass the privacy notice, you will be redirected to a web page where you are required to undergo multi-factor authentication. You will receive an email to the email address registered to your NIHB web account. Within the email, there will be a 6-digit one-time passcode that you are required to enter in the displayed screen. Enter the 6-digit one-time passcode in the Enter One-Time Passcode field and click Submit. Once the system authenticates your passcode, you will be redirected to your NIHB web account. Please note that if you enter the wrong passcode, an invalid passcode, please try again message will appear on the screen. Once you are logged in, you will see your My Profile page. Here, your office ID, office name, first and last name, and provider number will be pre-populated in the Profile Information section. Now, we will demonstrate how you can access and read your claim statement. To access your claim statement, click the Statements button located on the left-hand menu bar. This will take you to the ESC Statement website. Please note that you can also receive your claim statements by mail. Please log in using your username and password for your ESC Statement account. If you don't have an ESC Statement account, please watch the tutorial video, How to Create an Account to Access Claim Statements, to learn more. After you have successfully logged in, you will land on the Search for Statements page. Next, click the Statements drop-down menu and select NIHB. Selecting NIHB means that you will view claim statements from Non-Insured Health Benefits Program. Next, click the desired start date. Then, click the desired end date for your search using the calendar, or enter the start and end dates in the date range fields provided. Once you have entered the date range, click the Search button. Based on the date range you entered, all available claim statements will be displayed. Click the claim statement you would like to view. Once you open the statement, you will find a summary of your claim information. Now, let's review the claim rejections and their corresponding response codes. The response code explanations are included on the last page of the paper or online claim statement. The response code is a distinct code that identifies the reason why a claim payment is being rejected or cut back. If you have a claim payment that has been rejected or paid with a payment cutback, a response code will appear. The first common response code we will review is R28. Claim does not match PD or line is on hold, transferred, or denied. This response code occurs when the claim information details on the claim form does not match the details on the predetermination confirmation letter. Examples of information that may not match the predetermination confirmation letter may be the client, provider, or benefit details. If an error was made by Express Scripts Canada, you must contact the NIHB call center at Express Scripts Canada to provide this information. If an error was made on your claim submission, you are required to make the correction on the claim statement and submit it to Express Scripts Canada for correction. For more information on correcting claims, you may watch the tutorial video, How to Correct or Request a Reversal of a Claim. If the predetermination requires an amendment, contact the NIHB Dental Predetermination Center. The second common response code we will review is R31. Client has alternative coverage. Please contact ESC. This response code occurs when the claim has not been paid because the client has alternative coverage for the claimed procedure code. This error may also occur when no explanation of benefits is submitted, or the explanation of benefits is submitted but is incomplete, or doesn't match the information submitted on the claim form. If the client no longer has third-party coverage, please ensure that you contact the NIHB call center at Express Scripts Canada at 1-888-511-4666 to update the client's profile. Lastly, the third common response code we will review is R07. This is a duplicate claim. This response code occurs when the claim has not been paid because it is a duplicate of a previously paid claim. No action is required unless you have questions or concerns about this claim. Please contact the NIHB call center at Express Scripts Canada for further information. A detailed explanation of all the response codes and messages can be found in Section 8.3 Manual and EDI Claim Submission System Codes, Messages and Explanations, located in the NIHB Dental Claims Submission Kit. Once you have finished reviewing your claim statement, you can log out of your account. The NIHB call center at Express Scripts Canada is available to help. Please contact the NIHB call center at Express Scripts Canada at 1-888-511-4666. The contact details for the NIHB call center at Express Scripts Canada are found on our website. Simply navigate to the Quick Link section at the bottom of the webpage and select Contact Us. We hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.